Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I want to talk to you about expanding foam, some of the differences, and how to use it. Got a couple of examples of expanding foam. When you go to the hardware store, you're going to find so many different types of expanding foam that are out there, and it's based on how much it will expand. So you have to pay attention to what project you're working on to make sure that you're getting the right stuff. So in this example, we've created a little setup here with a wall and some plexiglass, and I'm going to use the foam and I'm going to insert it into the cavity, and you want to take the can and hold it upside down so that you're forcing the material out of there, and then you just squeeze the trigger and you'll see as it starts to fall and expand, it starts to stick and fill that void. It gives you great insulation. Also keep in mind it's very sticky, so if it sticks to other surfaces, you want to be careful to remove it with the proper solvent and a rag, maybe wear some gloves as well. An acetone solvent will usually get rid of the product on different materials as well. But if you're looking to insulate and fill those voids, expanding foam is the way to go. Coming up next, my video on choosing the right caulk.